I'm Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on Shivratri special. Today is Shivratri and lots of ladies who celebrate this Shivratri. So on our own way, means some people only eat fruits, some people drink milk and some sweets. So different parts, different way we celebrate this Shivratri. So today's recipe maybe you'll eat or may not be. So no worries, you can prepare this recipe later on also and you can enjoy. So it's a very simple recipe and you need very less ingredients. So let me go ahead and prepare this Shivratri special dish. To prepare sweet potato kheer, I need full fat milk, condensed milk, crushed green cardamom, grated coconut, sweet potato, 1 sweet potato, 2 tablespoons of ghee, some few cashew nuts and raisins, and 1 bay leaf. First, grate sweet potato. In a pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of ghee. First, I will fry cashew nuts and raisins. Fry cashew nuts till it changes the color. Once cashew nut and raisins are fried, keep it aside. In the same pan, I will fry grated sweet potato now. Fry this grated sweet potato in medium heat. Fry it for 4 to 5 minutes in medium heat. Once it's fried enough, keep it aside now. In the same pan, I'll boil 1 liter full fat milk. I have to boil it and reduce the volume in half. Add 1 bay leaf now. Bay leaf and crushed green cardamom will add nice flavor in this kheer. Now once milk is boiled properly, reduce the volume. Now I'll add fried sweet potato. Let it boil for another 6 to 7 minutes in medium heat. Now I'll add crushed green cardamom, now I'll add 40 ml condensed milk. If you want, you can add sugar as well. And I'll add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix it and let it boil for another 3 to 4 minutes in medium heat. It's almost done now. Now I'll add fried cashew nuts and fried raisins. So my sweet potato kheer or Ranga Alur Payesh or Mishti Alur Payesh, whatever you call this sweet potato, it's ready. It's very simple, very easy, and you don't need lots of ingredients. Here I didn't add any extra sugar because sweet potato is a little bit sweet. I added condensed milk and I added coconut. So everything together brings the sweet taste. If you want, you can add extra sugar. As per your own taste, you can add that thing. So that's all from me today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy Shivratri. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.